Hello students, in previous video we see about system software. Today we learn in this video about application software. Application software, this type of software pertains to one specific application. For instance, software that can perform railway registration function, cannot prepare result for a school. So generally application software is used for a specific application. These are programs written by the programmer to enable computer to perform a specific task such as processing word, inventory control, handling calculation and figures, medical accounting, financial accounting, result preparation, railway system billing, etc. So generally these application software are created by the programmer or a computer software companies which can create for a specific task. So application software can further be subdivided into following these four categories: packages, utilities, customized software and developer tools. So we learn one by one. First is packages. Only system software does not sufficient for the efficient use of computer. So generally system software are not fully equipped to use the computer, because the system software exists mostly for the benefit of the computer. Other programs like application software required to make computer useful for people. Application software has been written to do almost every task which is imaginable. There are following general application software packages like word processing software, spreadsheet software, database management system software and many more. So generally package software comes in a bundle of packages which is used for daily routine tasks to complete, like Word. Microsoft Word is used for all word processing software. Microsoft Excel is used for all mathematical calculation. These softwares comes in a bundle. Our second is utility software. Utilities are those helpful programs that ensure the smooth functioning of a computer. Utility bridge the gaps by the helping to solve problems and maximize your computer potential. So generally we have system software, we have package software, then if we have utility software, then our computer's potential will be increased and smooth functioning company will be ensured. So these are the following regular utility software are. Our first is text editor. So it is used to create editing text, creating file, etc. So generally in our computer, Notepad is an example of text editor. So it is used to create and editing the text files. Second is backup utility. So it is used to backing up the disk. Backup means duplicate the disk information so that in case of any damage or data loss, this backed up data may be used. So generally computer hard disk or computer data can be crashed for many reasons, like electricity failure, short circuit failure, or data may be lost. So that time if our data has been backed up, then we can easily get the data which is lost by the help of the backup utility. Next is compression software. So this utility program used to compression of files. So generally if our file size is very large and we cannot transfer data into smaller parts of data, so that time large files can be compressed so that they take less storage area. So moving data or transferring data become very easy and fast. Next is disk defragmenter. It is very important utility of our computer system. So it is a utility program that speeds up disk access, rearranging the files and free space on your computer. So generally in computer our file is stored in a very scattered area, so it will take lots of extra space and computer performance will be decreased. So to solve this problem we use disk defragmenter. It speeds up the disk space by rearranging the files. Files are scattered in a different area, but this software or this utility rearrange the file in a proper and arrange the free space of your computer. so that files are stored in a contiguous unit and free space is consolidate in one contiguous block. So free space will be managed in a proper area. So this is very important utility of our computer software. Next is antivirus software. It ensures virus free work environment. So generally if we are using internet or we are attaching any pen drive in our computer, then virus can come in our computer. So data may be lost or data may be corrupted. So to do this, we use antivirus software. It scans your disk for virus and removes them if any virus is found. So generally antivirus software is used to scan our computer disk and remove the virus. Our third example is customized software. So this type of software is specially created software according to a business or a user requirement. So it is also called tailor-made software. Why tailor-made software? Because it is created by according to a business or a user requirement. Like this type of software is developed to meet the general requirement of a business, like payroll system, hotel management system, inventory control management system, and many more. So generally hotel management software does the task to complete the hotel requirement. So it is created as per the hotel requirement. So these type of software is used customized software. So they are fully private because they are used for a particular company or a particular organization. Next is developer tools. Our last category of application software is developer tools. When a programmer develops a software and programs, they have a pre-written sets of code, functions, classes and scripts. A software library is a predefined and available to use suite of data and programming code in the form of pre-written code, functions or scripts or classes that can be used in the development of new software programs and applications. So generally if a programmer is creating a software or a program, that time he needs many tools and many predefined classes or predefined code. That time he will use developer tools. These are advanced tools which are created by the programmer to help for the creating new programs or a new software or a application. So today we learn about application software and types of application software. Generally 4 types of application software are available. First is packages, then utilities, then customized software and developer tools. Then we learn one by one these packages, utilities and customized software and developer tools.